Assalamualaikum to my all viewers. It's me Moomal Mumtaz Baig and welcome back to my YouTube channel Moomal Tech. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your computer right now. You don't actually have to wait for the general release that comes out later in the 2021. However, don't skip these steps because it is very important. There's some gotchas. So first off, go to browser and do a search for Microsoft Windows. Enter here. Upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS from Microsoft. This is Microsoft main page that talks about installation news and information about Windows 11. Scroll down to about the bottom of this screen here and you will see this area says get ready check for capability. There will be an option here coming soon where you can do a PC health check for your system to make sure you meet the minimum requirements. Now we will move on to the next step. Backup image. If your PC meets all the minimum requirements for Windows 11, then you really don't need this step because you will be able to move forward into the general release with an automatic update and you will be stay on Windows 11 and everything will be fine. If your PC does not meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11, then I prefer to do a backup of your PC. However, if you have a system that does not meet the minimum system requirements in any category, Microsoft is going to force you to reinstall Windows 10. Once the release of Windows 11 comes out, now what I prefer to do is to go ahead and make a backup image of my current system before I do an update of Windows 11. If you guys want to know that how I backup my system, then DM me on my official page, which link is given in the description box. Installation Windows 11. Now my PC meets the minimum requirements, so I'm just showing the method, the process of how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now go to your Windows setting. When the setting box is open, then click on Update and Security. And now you can see the last option of Windows Insider program. Just click on that. When you click on that, you will see the option of Get Started. Just simply click on that. Now you want to create your Microsoft account. I have my Microsoft account, so just I'll link up here. If you don't have your Microsoft account, then you can create it first and then link up there. Now I just link up my Microsoft account. There will three options will show here. Now I'm just going to select the first option and then just click on continue. If you want to choose another option, then you can choose it. It's up to you, but I am going to choose the first option and just click on continue. Now again click on continue. Now just click on restart now button. Now after the installation, just go on to the back step. Just go to on your Windows setting and then just click on Data and Security. Now the previous step is open. Now click on View Additional Setting. Now as you can see that my Windows is Windows 11 and it will not change. So what I do, when you back it, you will see the option of Windows Update here. As you can see on the screen, when you click on Windows Update, now you can see the option of check updates. Just click on that. Now you can see my window is downloading. After the downloading, it will show the restart now message. So just click on that. I'm just clicking it. As you can see on my screen, my window is restarting now. During this process, don't turn off your PC. Now we are back and guess what? It's Windows 11. Let me show you. You can even see the start menu is the new Windows 11 format. If you take a look under setting and Windows update, you can see it's still in the process of updating Windows. So I hope that you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also check out my other videos.